Oh, that sounds pretty good. Same thing with this car. Really didn't need to do anything to it. It's been just kind of chilling. Did the radio. That's it. But that's not why we're here. We're here for the black car. Got a couple things to take care of and take her for a drive. Just got to finish up what I was doing back here. Fresh battery, clean up, put the subwoofer and amp back in, change your oil, and should be ready to roll. Time for some fun. Alright, so she's ready. Let's see. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Oh, I did that too. Alright. Get tags taken care of, call insurance. And we're about to take a drive with this thing. Probably go straight down to power wash it because she's looking rough. We'll go get her cleaned up and hopefully go for a nice cruise. Alright, so one other thing I want to do before we kick this trip off, add this to the back seat. When kiddo goes with me, it's a lot easier. I've got like these portable TVs that just plug in and play DVDs. So instead of trying to split off the front one and try to have a space for my phone charging, his thing playing, he's got a tablet too, so I figure why not just get a whole nother thing, which I was only looking for the socket, but this comes with two USBs as well, and just hardwire it. So we're gonna go ahead and mount it right about here, I think. But it's not really in the way and it's not really like in your face. That wiring's just gonna come back up under the seat and head into the trunk. Not that this really helps, but we'll take it out anyway. We will plug it into that guy and just add a fuse. I figure that way it's, you know, that's basically coming right off the battery. It is coming off the battery to its own fuse and not trying to like split off the car's wiring, which is already thin, and plug multiple things in, and it just doesn't seem right. So I'll go ahead and knock that out real quick, show you guys the finished product. Probably stop teasing you and actually do some driving footage. All right, so look back here real quick. Just ran purple and white for our wires. Went with a 20 amp fuse. Here I actually chose to go downward facing. It was pretty real light, just because I figured with that facing up, see how kind of tucked it is, even down here you wouldn't have been able to really plug stuff in. So I figured this way you've got full range of plugging stuff in, because we like to test things. See what it does on this page. Boom, charging. Sweet, cool beans. And what I'll do Majority of the time when I'm not using it, we'll just go ahead and pull that fuse, store it right there. Well, I guess we'll go driving now. Well, that was fun. Short, sweet, teased you a little bit. Traffic wasn't quite what I was hoping it would be, so. You'll definitely have more of that this summer. I'll have some help. That and messing with camera angles to hopefully maybe help with the wind noise maybe. Gotta figure out a better spot to put that. Anyway, there you have it. She's ready. Yeah, do one final inspection and start throwing stuff in it. Definitely excited for Indy. So, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.